Did you know you can connect a PS4 DualShock controller to your iPhone or your iPad to make playing games even more fun? Here's how. And while you're here, if you find this tip helpful, please do consider subscribing down below. I'm trying to add new tips every week for your iPad and your iPhone, and I'd love to have you along with me on that journey. This is really simple to set up, so jump straight into the Settings app and then scroll down to find Bluetooth. Now on the Bluetooth screen, you want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then grab your PS4 controller. On the controller itself, you're going to press and hold the PlayStation button and the Share button. They're the two that I'm pointing at on the screen now, and that will activate Bluetooth pairing mode on your controller. From here, on the iPad, you can see PS4 DualShock controller, and you can tap on there to connect. It's really quite straightforward, but now your controller is paired, the light on the controller itself will go solid, and then you're good to start going. So I'm going to jump straight into an Apple Arcade game called Crossy Castle. If you haven't tried it, it's good fun, I'd recommend it. And from here I can use the PS4 controller to control everything on my iPad screen. This will work on loads of games from the App Store and Apple Arcade games, and on the App Store listing page, you'll see a little message that says controllers are supported. This works on Xbox One controllers as well, and you can pair them in just the same way by going into the Settings app and onto Bluetooth. When you're finished playing, you can either turn your PlayStation controller off on the controller itself, or if you want to, you can do that from the iPad too. Now you can go into Settings and back to Bluetooth and disconnect, but that's quite a long-winded way around. Instead, swipe down from the top right corner to bring up Control Center, tap and hold on those four icons in the top left, and then on the Bluetooth button, if you tap and hold on there, you can see all the devices that are connected, and you can tap on PlayStation 4 DualShock controller, and that will disconnect it for you.